Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making an elephant. So let's get started. To make the face, we are going to make an E shape. So first we are going to make a C and then we are going to make the top curve to make it an E. We'll make the eyes. They will be leaf or almond shape. And from the down part of our E, we will make the trunk, and the extra line you see there will turn it into tusk. Now the trunk is the upper lip and the V shape we made is the lower lip. After this we are going to make a big C for the ear and an upside down L for the body, and you're going to make a straight line from our lower lip as well, and we are going to turn them into two legs. Now we are going to make a curve to show the elephant's stomach, and we are going to make two more legs at the back. They'll be a little hidden, and we'll make a small curve to show the second ear. Next we are going to make the tail, and we are going to make the nails. So for the nails we are using semicircle shapes. We are going to color inside the eyeball in this manner. Now next we are showing that the elephant is standing near a river. So for the land, on the land I'm making some rocks, grass, some bigger grass. I'm making a lavender flower, you can add more rocks, some grass. Here I'm adding a little bit more grass to give it a complete look. Now at the back I am making a banana tree from which the elephant can eat bananas. So for that we will make this type of structure and we'll join the gap in between. Now, how to make banana leaves? Sleeping line A, sleeping line A, sleeping line A, join. Same way we'll make one more leaf, and the empty space we are going to show one more leaf there, and here we are going to make the leaf using the same method, but we will show both sides. Next we will make an oval, erase the extra line and make these long U's to show the bananas. We will make another banana tree in the same manner. We will make this structure, we'll make the stem and we will make 4 upside down U. Coming from it we'll join the gap again, and in the same manner we are going to make more leaves. So sleeping line A, sleeping line A, join. We are going to make the center leaf, of which we are going to show both sides. We are going to make an oval shape, going to erase the extra lines, and we are going to make long U's to show the banana. We'll make many bananas After making the long U's, you can also erase the outer oval and I am going to show bushes in front of the trees. And again, we are going to be erasing the extra lines. And now this is going to be water. So inside, in the water, I am making a fish. So we are showing that the fish came up from the water and it is jumping. Next, we are going to make a circle for the sun and we are going to make rays. So for that, one long line, one short line, long, short, long, short, long, short, and in this manner we will make the sun rays. Next, we are going to make some birds. We are going to make the next one smaller to show a distance. We can do a little bit of shading in the elephant's body, its ears, face, and our drawing is done. You can also color it if you like. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.